Super Commando Forex. Forex systems of this caliber come 1 in a million, if at all. The Super Commando Forex system is the result of 12 years of testing and trading by a professional Forex trader. It is designed to provide traders with an easy-to-use, highly effective trading system that can be used to make consistent profits in the Forex market. The system comes with a solid set of tools, trading manual, and support from our experienced Forex trading team. You want something easy and profitable? Well, here it is within your reach. It can be yours today and you can start earning anywhere from plus 59 to plus 100 pips daily. Key features. Designed for MetaTrader 4, email/mobile alerts, audio alerts, arrow alerts, very accurate, scalping, mid-term, long-term, templates included. This is the main screen of the Super Commando Forex system. As you can see, it's very simple and straightforward. Even a complete beginner can start trading and making profits with this system. With the Super Commando Forex system, you'll have multiple forms of buy/sell alerts, so you won't miss a single opportunity to make money. You'll receive arrow, on-chart, mobile alerts, and audio pop-up window alerts, so it's impossible to miss a signal. This system is designed to make you money. Audio pop-up window alerts are also included. When there is an opportunity, you will be alerted with the signal, currency pair, time frame and time that the signal got released. When you see an alert, you must enter right away. The amazing feature of on-chart alerts is included. When there is a buy/sell signal, you'll see it on the top right side of your chart. In this case it was a buy signal. Here are some example trades made by the Commando Forex system. On GBP USD 1 hour time frame it made a profit of 77 pips on the sell signal. On EUR USD 5 minute time frame it made a profit of 77 pips on the buy signal. On USD CHF 1 hour time frame it made a profit of 50 pips on the buy signal. On USD JPY 4 hour time frame it made a profit of 112 pips on the sell signal. What you have here is something that is out of the ordinary. An accurate Forex system armed with all the tools to make money along with a very simple interface. If you can read colors and simple English you are pretty much set. There is no intense Forex trading knowledge needed to make profits with Super Commando Forex system. Look at the results here. Commando Forex is a dynamic Forex trading software that lets you trade on all pairs and time frames. It can be used to trade on the most popular instruments. Customer satisfaction is guaranteed. Buy the system today, and start making money from tomorrow. In the description section on the left I have given the link to go to the website, study it further and buy through the website. Wishing you all the best and loads of wealth and health.